In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a star in Facebook. So first of all, open Facebook apps on your iOS or Android device. Make sure your apps is up to date. Then searching for any page that able to send star. For example, I'm searching for that person or content creator. Tap select here and select name. As you can see, if I tap on comment sections, and here showing a star icon, that's mean I can send a star to that content creator. So tap on a star, and as you can see here showing my current star balance, it's available 18 star. I can send that amount of star 1, 10 and 10. Here different type of star and up to 300. So I'm going to send this one star and thanks. You can type any message and then tap on send icon, and it's posting to that comment on that creator. So yeah, start send to that person. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next